Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students and dear participants and dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum. I am from here for a new video, and today I will teach you how to write Urdu alphabet and their half shapes. First, I write Urdu alphabet. After that, I will write half shape of these words. So some words have half shape and some words don't have half shape. Their half shape and full shape is same. So let's start. And if you are new here and you are watching my videos and you are enjoying, then please don't forget to subscribe and like and comments to my channel, so that I myself get some courage and I will make some more videos about Urdu speaking. So I start with first letter. The first letter is Alif. Standing line, you have to start from here, and where the line is, write this, it's Alif. And second word is Alif Mad A. Standing line, sleeping line, and standing line. Alif Mad A. Alif and Alif Mad A have don't half shapes. Their full and half shape are same. Next word is Be. Standing line, sleeping line, and then standing line, and one dot, Be. The other word is Be, half shape, like this. This is Be half shape. And next word is Be, like this, three dot, and their high shape like this, Be half shape. Then after that, Te, and half shape of Te. Then write Te, and half shape of Te like this. Then write Se, and their half shape like this. Next word is Jim. You have to write first upper, then go here and then make a half circle Jim and one dot in middle, Jim, and half shape of Jim. J, three dot in the middle, and half shape of J like this. Hey, like this, and half shape of Hey. K, one dot on the upper and half shape of K like this. उसके बाद Dal family and Ray family don't have us, means half shape and full shape are same, like this. Dal, sleeping line, then slanting line, and cross little bit to the line, like this. Dal, one, you have to put sign of Dal, and Zal, and put the one dot in the above. Re, Are, Ze, Yoin. After that, these words have no half shape. These words have same half shape and full shape. Next word is Seen. Write this, Seen, and half shape of Seen like this. Sheen like this, right? Curve, and then down curve, Sheen, half shape of sheen like this. Swad, you have to make circle, then sleeping line, then down curve. Swad, half shape, then Zuad and Zuad half shape. Next word is twine, which don't have half shape, and full and half shape is same. And next word is join, standing line and make a curve and put one dot join. These words don't have shape. Next word is ain and half shape of ain. Other word is wine and half shape of wine. Next word is fe and half shape of fe. Next word is cough. Make a circle, then down curve like this, and put two dots above and like half shape like this. Cough. उसके बाद second cough, sleeping line, then standing line, then sleeping line and little sleeping. And half shape of cough is two half shape. One is like this cough, and another half shape is make a circle and slanting line, cough. And second one, other word is cough. Write cough and put one line more on above. It is cough, and it also have two half shape. One is like this, and second is first write, make a circle, then put two lines above, cough. Next word is lam, like this, and half shape of lam is like this. Second word is meme, and half shape of meme is right like this. Noon, and half shape of noon is like this. Va have no half shape. He has half shape like this. Hamza don't have a half shape. Ye, which is half shape like this, and badi ye, and its half shape is like this. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel and like and comment.